Unstable nuclides decay by emitting particles and electromagnetic radiation in a process called radioactivity. The emitted particles and radiation are known as radioactive rays. Scientists studying radioactivity soon identified three types of rays based on their penetrating power through matter. They were named alpha rays, beta rays, and gamma rays, after the first three letters of the Greek alphabet. Later, the electrical charge and mass were used to distinguish the rays. Click on the alpha source and click on each material to investigate the penetration power. What do you observe? Answer: alpha rays have low penetrating power. They are stopped by just using a sheet of tissue paper. Now click on the beta source and click on each material to investigate its penetration power. What do you observe? Answer: beta rays have greater penetrating power than alpha rays. They all pass through tissue paper, but most are stopped by a thin sheet of aluminium. Now repeat this for the gamma source. What do you observe? Answer: gamma rays have the highest penetrating power. Even 10 centimeters of concrete will not absorb all the rays. Radioactive decay is a random and spontaneous process. What do random and spontaneous mean? We shall demonstrate the meaning of random with the help of this model. There are 100 chips each with an equal probability of changing from blue to orange. See if you can predict the chip which will change color next when you click the change button repeatedly. Reset and repeat this several times. Can you find a pattern? Answer: there is no pattern. It is impossible to predict the chip which will change color next, as it is a truly random process. The same random nature applies to radioactive decay, since you cannot predict which radioactive nucleus will decay next. Radioactive decay is also spontaneous. Each nucleus has an equal chance of being the next to decay, so it is impossible to predict when a particular nucleus will decay. Try to predict the time in seconds when the first chip will change color. Click the Start button. Click the Reset button and try again. Is it easy to predict? Answer: no, it is very difficult to predict. There is a remote chance you might predict correctly. However, with a sample of radioactive material, it would be impossible to predict when a particular nucleus will decay. Spontaneous means that radioactive decay happens without external stimuli such as temperature, pressure, or treatment with chemical reagents. Summary. The three types of radioactive rays are alpha rays, beta rays, and gamma rays. Radioactive decay is a random and spontaneous process.